Welcome back to episode 3 of my 90-day real-life AI journey for women over 50. And today we're talking about sleep. Yes, sleep and AI. Who would have thought they'd go together? Okay, this is not because I have some dramatic medical story, but because I have a very normal one. During the day, I'm fine, honestly. Money stuff, health stuff, family stuff, even the weather. Things that could bother me just don't. I handle them and then I move on. But at night, my brain apparently decides it's time for a 3-hour strategy meeting about things I cannot control. And the wind picks up outside and suddenly I'm mentally reinforcing the house. A random expense crosses my mind and I'm forecasting the next 6 months. Something small I said earlier, now it's being replayed like a live broadcast. And here's the weird part. None of this feels urgent during the day. But at 1:47 a.m., it feels critical. So instead of lying there trying to force myself to sleep, I opened ChatGPT. Here's what I typed. I'm a woman over 50. During the day, I handle stress fine, but at night, my mind races with worries I can't control. What are 3 practical ways to calm my brain and fall asleep? And the response was actually really thoughtful. It didn't just say, relax. It gave me options. One suggestion was to create a wind down routine 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Lower the lights, no scrolling, a gentle signal to your brain that the day is ending, which if I'm honest, I don't do. I tend to go straight from email to my pillow, but I am trying to stop working on the computer a bit earlier, and so far it has been a positive habit. Another idea was something called a worry window, just 5 minutes earlier in the evening to write down what's bothering me and one small next step if it's something I can control. Now, journaling before bed, great idea. Not always my favorite thing, so I adjusted it. I asked ChatGPT to create a 2-minute mental reset script I could read on my phone, something that reminded me what's in my control, what's not, and that nighttime is not decision-making time. That one I liked. It also suggested something surprisingly simple. Name the worry, literally say, this is a money worry, or this is a health worry. Labeling it helps you observe it instead of becoming it. And there was also slow breathing, in 4, out for 6, to signal your nervous system to calm down. And here's the part I appreciated most. When I asked why worries feel bigger at night, it explained that when the world gets quiet, your brain has fewer distractions. So it fills the silence with unfinished thoughts. That makes so much sense. Nothing was wrong with me. My brain was just trying to process. And here's what I really learned. You don't have to use every suggestion AI gives you. You can skip one, tweak a suggestion, keep iterating until it feels right for you. This isn't about sleeping perfectly. It's about having tools instead of lying there frustrated. So if your brain gets louder at night, try describing it clearly in ChatGPT. Tell it your age range, when you wake up, what thoughts show up. Ask for 3 practical techniques, then adjust them. You're not broken. You're human. And sometimes having a thinking partner at 2 a.m. feels surprisingly comforting. If you want to keep learning how to use AI in real everyday life like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the rest of this 90-day journey. Each day builds on the last, because this isn't about being techy. It's about being capable, and you already are. In my next video, we're testing something even more interesting, but you will have to come back to see what that is. I want to sincerely thank you for watching. It is truly appreciated, and I will see you in the next video.